Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And just when I thought that April was pretty much a wrap, I got a surprise from Ipsy. And it turns out that I had never received my base subscription bag from Ipsy for April. I just got this the other day, literally 2 days ago. And I already wrapped up filming for the month of April. And I guess I got it confused somehow that I already received this, but I'm glad I got it. I did get the Glam Bag Plus bag, so it'll be interesting to see, because I can't remember what exactly I ordered. So I'm putting on my reading glasses, and there is a card for some nature. And this gives me a description of what's in the base bag. So I might as well take a peek and see what's in there. All right, the first thing that I see here, there are a couple of add-ons in here, but I'll save that for last. Let's see. Ooh, I got this from Tatcha. And what's this? This is the Tatcha, the water cream. Wow, can you see that? Awesome. I have another sample, but it's the one that's purple. Oh, and it smells just like the other one. So I like the scent from Tatcha, I really do. And I'll put the price of the full size somewhere here. Oh, I like that a lot. All right. And here's a lovely little sample here. What is this? This is the Bare Minerals Original Liquid Mineral Concealer in Light 2N. So I remember Bare Minerals. Love their powder foundation. The mineral foundation is awesome. And I highly recommend it for those who are just dipping their toe into the whole makeup scene. And it does provide very good coverage. I think in the future I might pose a video. I don't think I have on the channel, but I'm surprised that they came out with something liquid. So this will be interesting to try. What next do we have here? Ooh, isn't it? Says ooh, smooth as silk. What is this called? This is Glow on 5th. Yes, Glow on 5th. Smooth as silk hand and body scrub. It does have a scent. Let's just put that here like so. Okay, it's a little dollop right there. Yeah. This is supposed to be oh yeah, it feels like it has little bits. I would not put this on my face because these feel like, ooh. You see that? I don't know if you can see it, but look at that. Ooh. Yeah, this is definitely a scrub. It has a scent, but it's, I don't want to say it's overly perfumey, but it's definitely a scent. What's in here? Oh, what's this? Turmeric and vitamin C clay mask. There's a company I believe called Apto that has something like this. It's for the face, and it's a turmeric face. Let me see what this is. Okay, let's get your glow on with this Australian-made brightening mask. Ooh, uses natural sources of vitamin C, like turmeric, to fade dark spots and even skin tone, and Australian clay to purify pores and to boost circulation for a healthy glow. For best results, use this mask on clean, dry skin up to 3 times a week. I don't know if I would use it 3 times a week, but it's called My Skin Mask. And then it says here what it has in it, which is the turmeric and vitamin C. I'm assuming this is stable. I will definitely keep it in the cool spot Out of Light. Never heard of that brand either. Loving that. Okay. Oh, something from Nomad. What is this? Nomad Cosmetics. It's the Nomad and Tuscany Intense Eyeshadow in Aperitivo. Ooh, that is pretty right there. I don't know if you can see that. Right? Can you see that? I'm sure you can. It has the... Oh, it's so shimmery. What is this supposed to be again? It's an eyeshadow. Let's see. Feels more like a highlighter to me, but look at that. Is that beautiful glowy or is that beautiful glowy? You could also wear that as a highlighter. Lovely bag. Oh, this is full size. It's Farsali, which has been all over YouTube channels for influencers the past couple of years. I never bought it because I wasn't sure if this was a gimmick or not. This is their Rose Gold Elixir. Ooh, 24 karat gold infused beauty oil. And it's 1 fluid ounce or 30 ml. It's a little beat up, but I guess that's what happens when it's in shipping. So I just want to see what Farsali's all about. Why not? Here's the bottle. It looks a little like, it's like smoky glass, but, oh, it's definitely glass. Okay, and it has a dropper. I always feel the urge to shake these things because you never know. It smells like mineral oil, if that makes sense. Okay, here's the... Okay. This is, again, a rose gold elixir. That doesn't mean it smells like rose. It has a definite, you know, like mineral smell. I'm just putting, I'll put 2 drops there. Why not? Okay. I'm tightening it up a bit just so it doesn't get weird. And I want to say it has a slight citrusy scent to it. It's definitely glowy. Yeah, this was an add-on, so I don't have... What else is in here? Oh, it's a little... It's directions on how to put it on. Ingredients. It says it does have some sort of a Rosa rubiginosa seed, safflower seed, pumpkin seed oil, gold, orange peel oil. So you might want to be careful with this when you go out in the sun. Let's see. Directions: shake well before using, which I did. Apply to face and neck. Can be used day or night. May be applied prior to or mixed in with makeup for a luminous finish, which you saw. Very nice. Caution: discontinue use if redness or irritation occurs. Keep out of eyes for external use only, which, you know, it goes without saying, but sometimes you have to let people know. I don't know how I feel about this. It's a beauty oil. Okay. It just feels like they put, you know, a couple of natural oils together and added sparkle. I don't know. But it smells exactly like mineral oil. I smell the orange now. Oh, what's this? From Thrive, this is their Lip Fuller Lip Liner. Been looking for a lip liner. I figured, why not from Thrive? I've heard good things about Thrive. So I'm thrilled about that. And it's in the shade, okay, I don't know how to pronounce this, so I'm just gonna spell it out here. Gizlan. Gizlan. I'll put that somewhere here. It looks like a brown, like a burnished brown. Yeah, good to know. Let's see. There we go. That's the color right there. Here is the top. Oh, and it turns, so that's good. So I don't have to worry about sharpening, which is nice. And I'm just, oh, nice and creamy too. Oh, it's a nice, like, light chocolate, milk chocolate brown. I like that. I could definitely use that. And that's it for my Ipsy Glam bag, which arrived mysteriously very late in the month for April 2021. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Happy Friday. Have a great weekend. Take care and stay safe. Bye.